I wonder if this looks like I'm looking down. Maybe it needs to be higher up somehow. We're just gonna go with it. We're gonna go with it because it's what we have to start with. So let me actually start this video with an introduction because I totally forgot to do that on my first one. Hi, my name's Becky. I am just a person on YouTube. I have dabbled in blogging in the past, but it's not something that I do to make money. It's just kind of information sharing for fun and for documentation purposes, so I don't forget the things that I teach myself. And I'm thinking that the YouTube channel will be sort of similar to that, along with some fashion and beauty stuff, just because I like that. If you watched the first video, thank you so much for sitting through that. You a real one, as the youths are saying. I did this makeup in that video, so if you're interested, you can watch it. The lighting is in my bathroom and it's not nearly as good as this. I think I look pretty nice, even though my skin is the same color as the wall pretty much. But it's okay. It's okay. That's normal. That's probably not the camera. So yeah, this video is a unboxing of a handbag that I purchased recently. I don't buy a lot of handbags, so this is pretty exciting. Since I filmed my first video, that was earlier today, I actually ate lunch and set up the lights in here and everything. And then I wrote myself some notes on just keeping the flow, because in my get ready with me, I was kind of just word vomiting all over the place. So I figured we'd start with a disclaimer, then unbox the bag and talk about why I bought it. And then I want to talk about the price and also how I paid for it, because I just feel like that's something that I want to be seeing in people's unboxing and like haul videos that I just don't see. So I'm gonna put myself out there and tell you how much money I spent on this bag. I've been trying to purchase more intentionally and less. So the challenge that I give myself is when I buy something, I want to be able to think of 3 different ways to wear it with the wardrobe that I currently own. I usually do this thing where I'll buy something because I can think of a million different ways to wear it, but like I don't own any of the items in those outfits. So instead of buying something that fits in with my wardrobe, I'm buying something that fits in with a fictitious wardrobe that I do not own, and then I end up not wearing it. So so yeah, I'm gonna put in 3 looks at the end of this video that hopefully work, because this was kind of an impulse purchase, even though I just told you how I'm trying to avoid those. So yeah, let's get into it. Did I say my name's Becky? I think I did. Okay, so I did want to start with a disclaimer, just because of what's going on in the world right now. It is the middle of the COVID-19 pandemic. I realized that buying a handbag is not vital at this time. It's a privilege. I'm lucky that I'm able to work from home, and I have been working from home, and because I'm not driving anywhere, I'm not going out to eat, I'm not hanging out with my friends, I'm not going to the movies, I'm not doing any of that stuff, I have been able to save a little bit extra. I can't say that I've spent a ton of it, just because I've been kind of in a funk with everything going on and not being able to leave the house. I was feeling a little bit like, why bother? Why bother shopping? But yeah, this bag kind of took me out of that funk, because it's very summery, it's very bright, it's not like any of the bags that I own, and it was on sale, so I just kind of hit add to cart and checked out, and I'm glad that I did. I needed a little sunshine in my life, so to speak. So yeah, please don't think that I'm trying to be braggy or insensitive or, you know, tone deaf to what's going on out there in the world. I'm just kind of doing that thing, you know how when you go shopping when you're younger, I just went to open this bag, but I'm not done talking yet. You know how when you're younger you go shopping, then you come home and you like try everything on for your dad? That's basically what I'm doing, you know. You guys are my dad. No, that sounds weird, but you get what I'm saying. I'm just like excited about it, and hopefully the people watching it are also excited about it, or like looking at it, whatever. Okay, I think that's, you know, we've adequately disclaimed what we're doing. So this is the bag. Pausing here for maybe a potential thumbnail. It's a Jacquemus bag. I did not think I would ever buy one of these because of the size. So let me just take it out of the dust bag. I don't want to make you guys wait any longer. This is the bag. It's so cute. It's adorable. So this is the Jacquemus Le Grand Chiquito. Is it Chiquito or Chiquita? I think it's Chiquito. What gender are you? Yeah, so this is Le Grand size. This bag has been a really big trend bag, but in a size that is absolutely absurd. It doesn't fit a phone. What am I doing with my hair? It goes really flat, guys, so just bear with me while I fidget with it. Yeah, so this bag, it went kind of viral and it was everywhere, but in a size that was just absurd. It didn't fit a phone. It came in a couple different sizes, and even the biggest one didn't fit a phone. This is now the biggest one, and it does fit a phone. So, woohoo! That's why I bought it. I was perusing, I think, Shopbop, and I saw this size in the black, and I thought, oh, I didn't realize that they made one that was actually big enough to hold a phone and be a reasonable handbag for day to day. And so then I just Googled Le Grand Chiquito. Is it L? Oh God, you know what I mean. And this one came up in this pink tie-dye, like graph paper almost pattern. Let me get closer here, because so like the shading and the bleeding of the dye almost makes it look like it has a texture, like the white squares are raised, but it's not. It's smooth leather, and it's just completely tie-dyed. The pink color is just tie-dyed on it. Yeah, so I've seen this one on Instagram in the small size, and I was just really drawn to it. I thought it was really cute. Just such a sweet little kind of classic, maybe a little bit old lady shaped bag. And so when I saw it in the size that actually fits a phone, I clicked on it, and it was on opening ceremony, and they had a 40% off coupon. So I kind of just snagged it. It was the last one. They always get you with that last one left. So yeah, that's how I got it. And I'm really excited about it. I think it's really cute. So as you can see, it has this big exaggerated handle that attaches to the front flap. There is no handle on the back. It's just plain on the back. It has a little Jacquemus plate here on the corner. I'm not big into branding, so I don't really mind that. It's a little bit subtle, at least as subtle as you can get with having your name on the bag. It opens like this. There is a crossbody strap that came with it, and it's just an open space, and there's one pocket on the back. That's it. And it looks like it's lined in a canvas. Yeah, canvas. So yeah, that is it. And now I'm going to get into the price. So It's more expensive than I would like to pay for a bag. So as you can see, I don't have many bags. I think outside of these 3 and like a couple clutches, I just have a black crossbody and a tote that I use for work. So I don't own many bags, and none of them have been over this price point, I don't think. Yeah, like this is gonna be the most expensive bag in my collection at the sale price. I'm just not on that level where I'm buying like 4 figures for bags. It's a little bit absurd how much bags cost these days. But yeah, so let me actually take a look at the tag, because I do think that Opening Ceremony had kind of a higher price point than the Jacquemus website. So I think on the website it's around $765. But on Opening Ceremony it was $865. So I don't know why you need to see the tag, you don't. Yeah, it was $865, but then they had a coupon code for 40% off. So I wound up paying with tax and everything $555, which is a lot. But I do think that even though it's a trend bag and it's, you know, very popular, I'm gonna stop holding it because it's a little bit awkward to talk while I'm holding something like this, like yeah, even though it's a trend bag, I feel like the shape is very classic with a twist. I feel like the pattern is kind of not basic, but it's not like distinct enough to be like, that's that bag from 2019 or whatever. I mean, maybe people who are like super into fashion will do that, but or know that, but I don't think, you know, that it's pinned into the trend. I think it does have some longevity with the shape and the pattern, and I like that it's just a little bit unique, you know? I mean, that is how I tend to buy bags. I like something that is a classic shape with something a little bit unique, you know, a pop of color or pattern. You'll see I have like a leopard bag that's a very similar shape up there. This is a dupe. If anyone is looking at this thinking like, this is not the most expensive bag you own, this is a dupe for the Bottega Veneta pouch. So yeah, I'm really excited with it. I don't own a lot of pink, but I feel like it's gonna look really nice with a lot of the colors that I do wear. And I like to wear a lot of white in summer anyway, so I think it's going to be a really cute summer bag. So with that being said, I do want to go into 3 outfits wearing it. So I'm gonna have to turn you guys around, so give me a second. Okay, so this is what I wore for actually filming the video. It's kind of a work look. This shirt is supposed to kind of look like it's on backwards, which I thought was kind of cool, like a mock neckline. And it actually, this looks really cute with this bag. The blues really contrast with the pink. I just put on some nude heels, but I think maybe a white pair would look cute as well. I just don't own a white pair. But yeah, I think the contrast with kind of a bright, what kind of blue would I call this? Like a French shirt blue. Yeah, that just looks really nice. So that's the first look, something a little bit more profesh, a little bit more work appropriate. So this is the look number 2. This is much more my speed for spring, summer. Sorry, my head's cut off, but I figured you'd want to look at the shoes more than my face. So yeah, this is just a pair of brown mules with some 501s from Levi's and a white button down. This one is just a men's button down from J. Crew. It's a bit wrinkly because I just got all my summer weight stuff out of storage, and I haven't washed or steamed anything yet, but I figured I'd show you. This would be really cute with like a linen button down as well. Yeah, just a simple, why is this so overexposed? Let me see if I can fix that somehow. There we go. Nope, I don't think that helped it, but let's get a little bit closer so you can see the details. Yeah, I think that that is just super cute. And that is something I would wear out to brunch, or even like an outdoor dining experience in the spring, summer, something like that. And you could definitely wear flat mules that are brown for walking around and having more of a day than just sitting somewhere. So yeah, that's look number 2. Okay, so this is the third look. This is kind of an amped up version, a little bit more fancy of the last one I did. So I picked a blouse that has some more detailing, kind of a puff sleeve. It's a little bit more romantic. And then some sandals that are a bright green and strappy. And I kind of like the kind of watermelon color blocking that is going on here. No, you don't view that way, so like it's hard to get everything in one frame because my room is small and I am 6 feet tall, but there it is. Something a little bit more like out to dinner vibe, a little bit more dressed up than the last look. So yeah, I'm very happy with this purchase. Let me turn you guys around actually. So yeah, thanks for watching. And if you like the video, hit the like button, you know, why not? Leave me a comment. I have like probably 5 subscribers at this point, if that, and it's all my family, so like I'll respond to your comment if you leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the bag. Let me know if you've been thinking about the same shape. Let me know how you would style it, you know, whatever. All right, thanks.